गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। इस वीडियो में हम लाइफ प्रोसेस के लास्ट मेजर टॉपिक के बारे में बात करेंगे विच इज़ एक्सक्रीशन। सो एक्सक्रीशन क्या होता है? हमारी बॉडी में जो ब्लड है वो सेल्स तक क्या पहुंचाता है? ज़रूरत का सामान पहुंचाता है, ज़रूरत की सारे चीज़ें पहुंचाता है, यूज़फुल सब्सटेंसेस को पहुंचाता है। अब सेल्स उन चीज़ों को यूज़ करके क्या प्रोड्यूस करते हैं? हार्मफुल वेस्ट प्रोड्यूस करते हैं। एंड उन हार्मफुल वेस्ट को सेल्स जो है वापस ब्लड के पास भेज देते हैं। सो दिस हार्मफुल वेस्ट which is called as the metabolic waste, it needs to be removed from our body. And the major harmful toxic substance which is collected in our blood is nitrogenous waste, and there are many other harmful metabolic wastes like ions, salts, which needs to be removed from our body. So the process which is involved in removal of these nitrogenous and other harmful metabolic waste from our body, it is called as excretion. Now if we talk about the unicellular organisms like amoeba, here the excretion takes place with the help of simple diffusion. क्योंकि अमीबा क्या है? अमीबा एक एक्वेटिक ऑर्गेनिज्म है। तो अमीबा की जो बॉडी है वो डायरेक्टली एनवायरनमेंट के कांटेक्ट में है। इफ दिस इज अमीबा, तो उसके आसपास क्या है? डायरेक्टली पानी है। तो ये डायरेक्टली अपनी बॉडी के वेस्ट को डिफ्यूजन की हेल्प से पानी में रिलीज कर सकता है। सो फॉर सिंपल यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म, simple diffusion is enough for the process of excretion. But when we talk about multicellular organisms like human beings, where the body size is large, there a proper excretory system is required to remove this harmful waste. So in human beings, for excretion, the excretory system is present, and an excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys, 2 kidneys हैं, a pair of ureters, these tube-like structures which you are seeing in this green color, they are ureters. Then a urinary bladder, a bladder, and urethra. Through urethra, the urine is passed out of the body. Now, location, where the kidney is located. So, kidney is located in the abdomen. आपका जो एब्डोमिनल कैविटी है, एब्डोमिनल कैविटी मीन्स जहाँ पे आपके चेस्ट कैविटी में क्या होता है? इन योर चेस्ट लंग्स आर प्रेजेंट, एंड बिलो दैट इन योर स्टमक एरिया द एब्डोमिनल कैविटी इज देयर इनसाइड योर बॉडी, देयर बिलो द डायफ्राम the kidneys are located on the either side of the backbone. Means there are 2 kidneys, one is located on the left side and one is located on the right side. So the kidney is a little bit located dorsally. Dorsally means कि जो बॉडी की थोड़ी सी बॉडी कैविटी की बैकवर्ड साइड की तरफ लोकेटेड होती है, जिस साइड पे हमारी बैकबोन लोकेटेड होती है. सो दिस इज हाउ अवर excretory system looks like. A pair of kidney, this is right kidney, this is left kidney. Then these are the ureters. Ureters जो हैं, these are the long tubes which connect kidneys to the urinary bladder. Kidney का function क्या है? Kidney, they are the main organs inside which the urine is produced. So the organ in which the urine is produced, they are kidneys. From kidneys, the urine is taken with the help of ureter to the urinary bladder. Inside the urinary bladder, the urine is collected till it is passed out of the urethra. Now urinary bladder जो होता है ये एक muscular bladder है, because it can expand and contract accordingly, and also it is under our nervous control. Nervous control क्यों? क्योंकि we have the ability to control our urge to urine. Because मान लो आप किसी public place में and there is no availability of washroom, at that time sometimes you have to control your urination. So how you are able to control that urge? Because your urinary bladder is under the nervous control. It is under your voluntary control. So what actually is present in kidney which is producing urine? Is this just a bag, or it is made up of millions of cells? So actually kidney is made up of millions of cells which are known as nephrons, and we will study about nephron lately. First, these in blue color you are watching. This is as the main vein, vena cava. This is our main artery, aorta. Then in both the kidneys, vein and artery, they are moving through this portion. So for example, if this is the left kidney, it has both vein and artery. The vein is called as the left renal vein and artery is called as the left renal artery. रीनल आर्टरी का काम क्या है? रीनल आर्टरी जो है वो किडनी में डर्टी ब्लड लेके जाएगी. डर्टी ब्लड में से यूरिन जो है उसकी फॉर्मेशन होगी, वो यूरिथ्रा से पास आउट हो जाएगा, और जो क्लीन ब्लड है उसको वापस से रीनल वेन जो है वो बॉडी के पास ले जाएगी. I hope this thing is clear to you. So now, as I told you that this kidney is made up of millions of cells called as nephrons, and inside the nephrons the urine is produced. So first of all, what is the purpose of making urine? Purpose of making urine is same as the purpose of excretion, that is to remove the nitrogenous wastes such as urea and uric acid from blood in the kidneys. So आप ये चीज़ याद रख सकते हैं कि अगर आपसे पूछा जाए name any nitrogenous waste which is produced by our body, तो आप लिख सकते हो urea and uric acid. So this urea and uric acid is to be removed by our body. So the structural and functional unit of excretion is nephron, means it is the nephrons which are located inside the kidneys. In each kidney there are over 1 million of nephrons which together perform the function of urine production. So these millions of cells, they together, this is how a nephron looks like. So millions of nephrons, they together are performing the function of urine production. So with the help of this diagram, we will understand how urine is producing inside each cell, because every cell is contributing to the production of urine, means all the cells, all the nephrons together are helping in cleaning of the blood. So this is the renal artery, this is glomerulus, this is the Bowman's capsule. So a nephron consists of a cup-like structure called Bowman's capsule. This cup-like structure is what? Bowman's capsule. इस Bowman's capsule के ऊपर एक टफ्ट ऑफ कैपिलरीज है, मीन्स एक गट्ठर है कैपिलरीज का, जिसको क्या कहा जाता है? ग्लोमेरुलस कहा जाता है. सो ये रीनल आर्टरी आ रही है. आर्टरीज जो है वो रीनल आर्टरी जो है वो कैसा ब्लड लेके आ रही है? रीनल आर्टरी जो है ये लेके आ रही है डर्टी ब्लड. सो ये जो डर्टी ब्लड है ये कहाँ से पास होगा? ग्लोमेरुलस से पास होगा, देन बॉमन्स कैप्सूल से पास होगा. सो यहाँ पे मेजर फिल्ट्रेशन हो जाता है ब्लड का. अब जो फिल्ट्रेट निकलता है वो आगे जाता है. यहाँ पे मेजरली जो भी गंदगी है ब्लड की वो मेजरली इस बॉमन्स कैप्सूल एंड ग्लोमेरुलस एरिया में क्या हो जाती है? क्लीन हो जाती है. अब जो फिल्ट्रेट है वो आगे बढ़ता है. सो दिस होल is the tubular part of the nephron, right? So in your NCERT it is labeled as tubular part of the nephron and there is no separate labeling, but here I have mentioned it. This first portion is called as the proximal convoluted tubule. Proximal means anterior, means the first one. Convoluted means it is a little bit like curved. So that is why it is called as convoluted, and tubules means tubule. Then this is called as the loop of Henle, hairpin like structure. जैसे hairpin की structure होती है वैसे ही इसका structure होता है. It is called as the loop of Henle. And this last one is called as this one. This is called as distal. Distal means जो backward वाला part है convoluted tubule, because again it is curved. So proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle and distal convoluted tubule, they are together called as the tubular part of the nephron. And here basically the reabsorption of useful substances takes place. Now useful substances could be water, and glucose, amino acids, which depends upon the needs of the body. Now, if we basically talk about the amount of urine production, कि कैसे एक यूरिन की प्रोडक्शन कंट्रोल होती है कि भाई कितना यूरिन बॉडी प्रोड्यूस करेगा, कि यूरिन ज़्यादा प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है या कम प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, वो डिपेंड करता है दो फैक्टर्स पे. द अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर टू बी रीएब्जॉर्ब्ड or the amount of urine which will be produced will depend on two factors. First one is the amount of water present in the body, because you must have noticed कि आप जितना ज़्यादा पानी पीते हो उतना ज़्यादा आपको वॉशरूम जाना पड़ता है. सो इट मीन्स अगर बॉडी के पास अबंडेंट अमाउंट में वाटर है तो वाटर का रीअब्जॉर्प्शन कम होगा. वही अगर बॉडी के पास पानी कम है, अगर आप कम पानी पीते हो तो बॉडी में पानी की एक तरीके से क्या है, स्कैरसिटी है, तो बॉडी में पानी का रीअब्जॉर्प्शन ज़्यादा होगा. तो ट्यूबुलर पार्ट में जो पानी है उसका रीअब्जॉर्प्शन ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, राइट. सो second factor is it also depends on the waste. If there is more toxic waste in the body which needs to be removed, then again the amount of urine produced will be more, right. So after reabsorption, now the urine has finally produced, which passes into the collecting duct, and this collecting duct of every nephron, means millions of collecting duct, they open into the ureter. So here is the ureter. That collecting duct opens into the ureter. From ureter the urine is passed out into the urinary bladder, and inside the urinary bladder the urine is temporarily stored, and this urine is passed out of the urethra, which is under our nervous controls, means we can control our urge to urinate. So this is how the excretion takes place in human beings. Now the last topic is excretion in plants. Like animals or human beings, the plants, they also produce waste. For example, oxygen, which is the product of photosynthesis, it is a waste product of photosynthesis. It comes out of the stomata, or during the respiration the carbon dioxide which is produced, it is also lost through stomata. And the excess water present in the plants, it is also removed with the help of stomata by the process of transpiration. इसके अलावा प्लांट्स में और भी बहुत सारे वेस्ट प्रेजेंट्स होते हैं, जैसे कि डेड सेल्स. तो मान लो कि किसी लीफ में डेड सेल्स हो गए, तो क्या हो सकता है कि वो जो लीव्स है, दे कैन इवन लूज सम पार्ट सच एज लीव्स. सो जहाँ पे डेड सेल ज़्यादा हो गए हैं, मान लो कि लीव्स में डेड सेल ज़्यादा हो गए हैं, तो प्लांट क्या कर सकता है, उस लीव को फॉल आउट कर सकता है. बहुत सारे वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स जो हैं प्लांट्स के सेल के अंदर, जो वैक्यूल प्रेजेंट होता है उसके अंदर स्टोर हो जाते हैं. वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट मे बी स्टोर्ड इन द लीव्स दैट फॉल ऑफ, या जो लीव्स गिर गए थे उसमें भी वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट जो है वो स्टोर हो सकता है. इसके अलावा जो प्लांट है जो वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट स्टोर करता है वो है रेजिन्स, गम्स, मेनली ओल्ड जाइलम के अंदर. एंड प्लांट्स ऑल्सो सिक्रीट सम वेस्ट सब्सटेंसेज इनटू द सॉइल सराउंडिंग देम. सो रूट्स की हेल्प से भी जो सॉइल है उसमें वेस्ट जो है प्लांट भेज सकता है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द live process. I hope this chapter is clear to you. In case you have not seen any of the video, they are all present in the channel. So in case of any problem, please feel free to comment, or you can ask me personally on my number. So my dear students, this chapter, the long going chapter, live process, is over. I hope this chapter is clear to you.